welcome to another episode of OtherBuys. Today we're going to look at the Stormsure clear flexible repair adhesive. So the reason I've got this is to try and repair my football boots. So I tried super glue and it didn't work. So essentially they're leaking when I'm playing in wet conditions around the front. Mainly on this right boot, to be honest. I think this one is the culprit and this one. So we're going to apply it. See if we can seal them up so I start getting wet feet. Because I'm playing on artificial turf. It's really playing havoc with the joint between the leather and the sole. So we'll see if this works. So I've opened the package up already. Inside you get your tube of adhesive, 15 gram. Some gloves here, latex free. And some instructions. Now the instructions talk about using tough tape, which is going to be useful with the adhesive when you're sealing things like blow-up beds, etc. Because if you look on the front of the package, you're looking at jackets, backpacks, tents, inflatables, wetsuits, wellies, those sorts of things to seal. So you use the tape to keep it secure, I'm assuming. However, that's not really going to work with the boots. So I've given them a clean. And now I'm just going to apply this stuff and see if it creates a seal with just the adhesive. We'll find out. Ooh, that's quite hot. So normally my white desk, I place it with a bin bag just to protect it. So I'm going to try and run this all along, see what happens. I'm hoping this will work. It smells quite strong, so we'll do this in a well ventilated area. Definitely wear the gloves, guys, because you don't want to get this on your skin. Just run it around the seal. Probably not the best applicator personally, but we'll see how it goes. So this is a 15 gram tube, so I'm hoping to get all the way. I realise I probably, oh no, I'll stop my hand on the other side. Might go all the way around actually. I think I've got enough left in the tube. So we'll just do a thinner layer because I'm pretty sure all this bit's okay. I mean, if this fails, I'll just get another pair of boots for when it's not raining, but I do like these ones. Nike Tiempos if anyone's interested. So, you know, even if you've not got a pair of football boots, maybe you've got some after turfs or hockey shoes, something like that, walking boots, wellies. So hopefully I'll apply this. I think it says you've got to leave it for about 24 hours, which is fine because I'm not playing until tomorrow. I'm just hoping it works without using the tough tape. But what I'll do is once I've played in the wet, I'll do another video to update you. So what I'll do is I'll post a link to the product in the bio. Maybe you've got something that you need sealing, you want to have a go. Particularly if you've got the tough tape. I mean, this stuff's supposed to be brilliant if you've got that. So this was £7 from Amazon, not including the tough tape. You've got to get that separate. As I said, link in the bio. If you like what you see, like, follow and subscribe. Also on the other socials. Just smoothing all that out. We'll see if it works. With a go in. Definitely need to make sure I don't stick the laces to the boot. That could be awkward. So yeah, just trying to smooth it out. Alright, there you go. So let's see what happens there. See if it works. I'll report back next time I play in the wet. So yeah, Stormsure flexible repair adhesive. If you need to get some, link in the bio. And it also says you definitely need to store this in the freezer to make sure it doesn't seal. So I'm going to go and do that now. Alright, thanks guys. If you like the video, like, follow and subscribe. Subscribe. You can tell this is unscripted. And follow us on other socials. Thanks guys.